If you are a beginner artist or you know a beginner artist, then keep watching because this video is for you. Hi, I'm Jason. This is the Chromatek Watercolor brush pens. Now, there are three things I really like about this kit. First is the storage. It comes in a plastic carrying case, 2 shelves to hold all of the colors and the brushes, and when you're done making art, closes up quickly and you're done. The other thing I like is I've been creating art since about September of 2022, so approximately 9 months from the making of this video, almost daily, and I've run out of no colors. So these are truly long-lasting, like they say on the label. The third thing I like is how vivid the colors are. Let me tell you a quick personal story, and then I'll get to the examples. So I loved art in high school. That was a long time ago. Fast forward to now, and I finally decided that I want art in my life. I want to learn how to make art. So this was one of the first kits that I bought. They make it so easy. This is why it's easy. They give you the colors, and then they give you what are called the blending pens. So you can lay down a little bit. You don't have to be perfect. You're a beginner. You lay down a little bit of color, and then you use these special blending brushes that you add your own water, and then you make your art, and it helps beginners get better quickly. Now let me show you why I say that. I'm a beginner. I created this with these Chromatek watercolor brushes, and the sky, I've never been able to make skies. I just would lay a little bit of color down and use the blending pens to get it a little bit wet, and that's how it turned out. And let me give you another example, similar. Look how vivid those colors are. That's why I love this kit. One last one. And that is why I give this Chromatek a 10 out of 10 recommendation for any beginner artist or anyone who wants more art in their life. Thanks for watching.